Imagine holding a computer that predates Microsoft by 2,000 years, a machine so sophisticated its technology wouldn't be seen again for over a millennium. This isn't science fiction, it's the Antikythera mechanism. Discovered in 1901 off the coast of a tiny Greek island, this lump of corroded bronze baffled scientists for decades. X rays finally revealed a mind blowing secret: dozens of intricate gears perfectly meshed together. This was no simple calendar, this was analog computing in antiquity. Today, we're probing the impossible. How did Greek engineers achieve this? The magic lies in complex differential gearing. While simple gears transmit rotation, differential gears combine multiple inputs. This allows for incredibly intricate calculations, like tracking the complex elliptical movement of the moon across the sky. Think of it as ancient mathematics brought to life in shimmering bronze. By turning a single crank, you could predict lunar phases, track the zodiac positions of the sun and moon, and even calculate the cycles of major Greek athletic games like the Olympics. It mapped out the Saros cycle, a 19-year pattern that perfectly predictable solar and lunar eclipses. The level of astronomical knowledge encoded in this device is absolutely staggering. The Antikythera mechanism fundamentally challenges everything we thought we knew about ancient innovation. We once believed complex clockwork was a product of the late Middle Ages and the Renaissance, but here is physical proof that the Greeks possessed this precision centuries earlier. Who were these master craftsmen? What other impossible technologies might be lost to time? The Antikythera mechanism proves that human ingenuity isn't a linear timeline. It's a story punctuated by bursts of impossible genius. It's a testament to ancient ambition that defies historical expectation. If you could magically restore the Antikythera mechanism to its original state, what new insight about ancient Greek society or knowledge do you hope it would reveal? Let us know in the comments.